Hello friends, good morning, good night, good afternoon, whatever time you're going to watch this video, this is for you. So my today's topic to discuss in English is present perfect tense, passive voice, interrogative, negative sentence. So let's start. Present perfect tense, passive voice, interrogative, negative. So my today's topic is present perfect tense, passive voice, interrogative, negative. So there are two types of sentence in interrogative negative as we already discussed in the interrogative part. First of all WH family, first of all helping verb, then WH family. So first of all we will discuss about helping verb. And the identity would be same as active voice, चुका है, चुकी है, आ है, ई है, ए है. Helping verb formula. The helping verb formula is has, have plus subject plus object plus be plus not plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. So what is the formula of helping verb present perfect tense interrogative negative passive voice sentence? Has, have plus object plus be plus not plus verb की third form plus by plus subject then question mark. Write it down, I am waiting for you. I hope you write it. So my first sentence is क्या राधिका के द्वारा खो खो नहीं खेला जा चुका है. So my first sentence is क्या राधिका के द्वारा खो खो नहीं खेला जा चुका है. So let's translate it into English. खो खो is singular noun, so we would use has in spite of have. Then subject object खो खो, has खो खो been not played by Radhika. So what is the translation? क्या राधिका के द्वारा खो खो नहीं खेला जा चुका है? Has खो खो been not played by राधिका? क्या राधिका के द्वारा खो खो नहीं खेला जा चुका है? Has खो खो been not played by राधिका? Write it down, I am waiting for you. I hope you write it. My second sentence is क्या अर्जुन के द्वारा देहरादून नहीं पहुंचा गया है. What is the sentence? The sentence is क्या अर्जुन के द्वारा देहरादून नहीं पहुंचा गया है. What is the sentence? The sentence is क्या अर्जुन के द्वारा देहरादून नहीं पहुंचा गया. So let's translate it. First of all, has, because देहरादून is a singular noun. Has देहरादून been not reached by Arjun. Subject. क्या अर्जुन के द्वारा देहरादून नहीं पहुंचा गया है. Has देहरादून been not reached by Arjun. क्या अर्जुन के द्वारा देहरादून नहीं पहुंचा गया है. Has देहरादून been not reached by Arjun. Write it down. I am waiting for you. I hope you write it. So it's a time of WH family word, and when you should use WH family word when the sentence of प्रश्नवाचक like क्या क्यों कैसे कहाँ कब comes in the mid of the sentence, then we should use WH family word. So let's start. WH family formula. WH family words plus has have plus object plus been plus not plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. So this is the formula. The formula is WH family words like when, why, where, how, what. These are the WH family words plus has an according to object. When the object is singular noun, so use has. When the object is plural noun, so use have. Plus object plus been plus not plus verb की third form plus by plus subject. So write it down. I am waiting for you. I hope you write it. My first sentence is रमेश के द्वारा क्यों दिल्ली नहीं घूमा गया है. So what is the sentence? The sentence is रमेश के द्वारा क्यों दिल्ली नहीं घूमा गया है. The word क्यों comes in the mid of the sentence. That's why it is WH family sentence. So let's translate it. क्यों, the English of क्यों is why. Then Delhi is the object. It is singular noun. So use has. Then object Delhi. Then been. Then not. Then third form of verb घूमना, visited, third form visit, visited, visit, visited by Ramesh. Subject. रमेश के द्वारा क्यों दिल्ली नहीं घूमा गया है. Why has Delhi been not visited by Ramesh. रमेश के द्वारा क्यों दिल्ली नहीं घूमा गया है. Why has Delhi been not visited by Ramesh. Write it down. I am waiting for it. I hope you write it. So my second sentence is खरगोश के द्वारा उछला नहीं गया है. So what is the sentence? खरगोश के द्वारा उछला नहीं गया है. Sorry, this is wrong. कैसे? The word कैसे come in the middle of the sentence. कैसे नहीं गया है. So what is the sentence? The sentence is खरगोश के द्वारा कैसे नहीं उछला गया है. What is the sentence? The sentence is खरगोश के द्वारा उछला कैसे नहीं गया. Let's translate it. How then has then verb. Oh sorry, object jump. How has jump been then not then verb third form of verb done then by then subject खरगोश rabbit. खरगोश के द्वारा कैसे उछला नहीं गया. How has jump been not done by rabbit. खरगोश के द्वारा उछला कैसे नहीं गया. How has jump been not done by rabbit. So write it down. I'm waiting for you. I hope you have written it already, and now it's a time to end. And if you have any query, so ask me in the comment box. I'll try to solve it. If you increase my video viewers, if you increase my viewers, subscribers, so it's a sign of confidence in me, and hopefully I would make more videos on this topic of English speaking. So thanks. That's all.